Mindoro is the seventh biggest island in the Philippines with over 1 million inhabitants with close to 10% of them being indigenous people called Mangyan. Hanuñoo is the both ethnic and language used by the Mangyan people. It means real or genuine. And Hanuñoo refers itself to Mangyan.
So, why importance of handicrafts? Let's talk about it. They show the craftsmanship and creativity of our katutubong Mangyan in Occidental Mindoro. These skills are passed down through generation, protecting culture and identity. It also provides livelihood to many families in our areas and helping our economy. Hanuñoos put a lot of care in their art forms, as displayed by how they represent their ethnic origins through their weaving. Their weaving technique called habilan allows them to reproduce intricately designed and expertly executed woven cotton goods. In fact, through social enterprises, they have established partnership with both local and international commercial entities that make their cotton handicrafts available to be purchased. These are the example of Mangyan handicrafts: rice basket, Mangyan bracelet, Mangyan basket, and rice basket, romblon basket, and manungol jar.
In the Philippines, the Hanuñoo Mangyan people of Mindoro use pacados as a visual motif. Pacados is distinguished by symmetrical and aesthetic and orderly use of light and space.
What are the language script of Mangyan here in Occidental Mindoro? We have the Surat Mangyan of Hanuñoo, Surat Mangyan of Buhid. So what is the language script of Hanuñoo? Hanuñoo is an abugida descended by the Brahmic script. It is closely related to Sulat Tagalog. It is famous for being written vertical but written upward rather than being written downward like all the other scripts.
It is usually written on a bamboo by insisting characters with a knife. Most known Hanuñoo inscriptions are relatively recent because of this perishable nature of bamboo. It is therefore difficult to trace the history of the script.
What about the Surat Mangyan of Buhid? Surat Mangyan Buhid is an abugida that uses Buhid language. It is closely related to Baybayin in Hanuñoo. People that uses this are called Mangyan people that are found mainly on the islands of Mindoro. The word behind Buhid Mangyan represents the dualistic identity of the group. Mangyan means people and their colloquial language. It is a collective term used for 8 indigenous cultural communities residing in the island of Mindoro, while word Buhid is derived from the Mangyan word sambuhid, which refers to an elevated parcel of land or mountain.
These are performed to the accompaniment of guitars, fiddles, flutes, and/or juice harps. Like other Mangyan groups, the Buhid live in settlements of 5 to 12 single-family houses, which are situated on slopes near mountains, streams, and named after the oldest resident.
We are the Mangyareños. Hanggang sa muli, kaibigan.
Bye!
Closely related to Baybayin and Hanuñoo. And
Naaga pang ano si Dwayne?
Surat Mangyan of Hanuñoo. Ano basa doon?
Ayun o, yun!
These are the example of Mangyan.
Bili na kayo guys, please. Aka na yung please.
Isa-isa.
Tapos tangkilikin niyo ang sarili natin. Game natin. Game na ba?
Hanggang sa muli, kaibigan.